since you're hungry, then go make yourself something or something to eat, buddy.
Ugh, fine. I'm gonna go make myself something to eat. Oh, that meal was delicious. I guess I'm gonna go in Blue House. You know what? I don't want to go in... I'm probably gonna go play on my app. You know, guys, I'm gonna show y'all a skip that this guy right here, that's my friend's, that showed me how to do this skip. So let me show you. How to do the skip is that you have to jump over there. This is how you do it. That hurts! Where are you going? I hate this.